Welcome to Wolfnest, your trusted property management company in Salt Lake City, Utah. Inflation affects everyone. It raises the cost of living, reduces purchasing power, and makes it harder to save. But real estate, it's one of the best tools for protecting and growing wealth during inflation. Let's explore why real estate performs well in inflationary times and how you can use it to your advantage. Why real estate performs well during inflation. Real estate holds intrinsic value. It's a tangible asset, unlike stocks or bonds, which can lose value due to market volatility. Property values naturally rise as the cost of land, labor, and materials increase, allowing homeowners and investors to benefit from appreciation. One of real estate's strongest advantages, rental income keeps pace with inflation. Landlords can adjust rental rates as living costs rise, ensuring their investment remains profitable. Utah's growing population and high rental demand make it an ideal place for landlords to maximize returns. Fixed-rate mortgages also work in investors' favor. While inflation erodes the value of money, mortgage payments remain the same, meaning investors are repaying loans with devalued dollars while their property continues to appreciate. Strategies to use real estate as an inflation hedge. Investing in rental properties provides steady income and long-term value. With Utah's increasing housing demand, landlords can maintain occupancy rates and adjust rent to match inflation. Fixed-rate mortgages lock in borrowing costs, shielding investors from rising interest rates. As property values and rents rise, these locked-in payments become even more favorable. Choosing high-demand markets like Utah, where job growth, population increases, and limited housing supply drive property values, ensures rental properties stay in demand. Multifamily properties offer multiple income streams, reducing vacancy risks. These investments are particularly valuable in urban areas where rental demand remains strong. Maintaining and upgrading properties enhances their value and attracts quality tenants. Features like energy-efficient appliances, modern finishes, and security systems can justify higher rental rates. Tax benefits also play a role. Investors can deduct mortgage interest, depreciation, and property management expenses, further improving profitability. The Utah real estate market and inflation resilience. Utah's real estate market has shown remarkable strength despite economic shifts. A thriving tech industry, strong job growth, and an influx of new residents make the state an attractive place for property investment. Whether you own a single rental home or a diverse portfolio, strategic property management ensures long-term success. Real estate remains one of the best ways to hedge against inflation. Rising property values, increasing rental income, and fixed-rate mortgages provide stability and growth opportunities. By investing in high-demand markets like Utah and managing properties strategically, landlords can turn inflation into an advantage. Looking to safeguard your real estate investments? Wolfnest provides expert property management services in Utah, helping landlords maximize returns while minimizing stress. Contact us today and navigate the market with confidence.